Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. First, I'm just starting off with brows, and I'm using my ColourPop brow color in the shade Jet Set Black.
The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. Can run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this.
Then I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer underneath to highlight. Then I'm just going in with my Urban Decay Primer Potion.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way.
Then to set the primer, I'm going in with the shade Full Zip from the ColourPop Yes Please palette.
I'm throwing out what we made. The future's far.
Then I'm going in with tape on the edges of my eyes just to create a sharp line. Then I'm going in with the shade Champs, and I'm blending this above my crease.
We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
Then I'm using the shade Big Cocktails, and I'm blending this directly in my crease. And I'm taking the yellow shade called Mischief, and I'm blending this on my outer corner into my crease.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leave.
For my lower lash line, I went back in with the shade Big Cocktails. Then to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I went in with the shade Buttercake.
Because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again.
Then I'm just taking this Lemonhead Space Jam in the shade Electric Daisy, and I'm putting this on my inner lid.
I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life.
And for my waterline, I'm just going in with my ColourPop yellow liner.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try?
And I'm just adding mascara and some false lashes.
I'm throwing out what we made. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay because I feel it good. I feel it good. Oh, now I feel it good. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
Then for my cream contour, I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick.
I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life.
For my bronzer, I'm just going in with this one from Wet n Wild.
I recall the past again.
And then I'm just taking the matte highlight side and I'm placing this under my contour and on the center of my nose.
Apart, you began to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far.
And then while I let the powder sit, I just went in with my blush from Tarte, and this is in the shade Party.
Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me.
And after a few minutes, I just wiped away my powder, and now I'm going in with my highlight, and I'm using the shade Helia from the Aurora Glow Kit. Also wetting my brush with my ColourPop Rose Quartz Setting Spray just so it goes on more vibrant.
Oh, now I feel it good. We're bringing this back to life.
For lips, I used my Jeffree Star Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Queen Bee. You could also use just a regular neutral lip, but I wanted to do yellow just to make the eyes pop more.
We're bringing this back.
And I also added the same Electric Daisy glitter on top. To set my face, I just went back in with my ColourPop Rose Quartz Setting Spray.
Help me find the right